Hey guys, welcome back to Board Bashing. Now I know it's been a while since we did one of these videos, but I'm having a friend come over. His name is Vinny. Go subscribe to Vinny Racks on YouTube. He's a great YouTuber. But first, smashing some ice. Now, I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's get started with the video and I'll play the intro. While we wait for Vinny to get here, why not I drop a brick on it? I'm gonna start a video on my slow-mo camera. Here we go. That did so much damage. Holy shit. The lid's broken. The lid is fucking broken. Holy shit. Now let's toss my hammer at it. Okay then. Okay. So it hit the thing, but it did not go correctly. 3, 2, 1. It's doing some serious damage to it. Okay, change of plans. Vinny has to stay home and clean. So I'm just gonna finish the video myself. Go again. shit. Holy shit. That was amazing. It is not just a pile of dust. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Tumblr, follow me on Reddit, and join the Discord server. Join r/fuckcusley. All those in the description down below. And I'll see you guys later in future videos. Bye!